Hey, I'm DREADPOOL,
I'm Death Dealer.
and we'd like to thank you for stopping in and watching this video. We just got back from Sir Henry's Haunted Trail, and we picked up a few items, and we wanted to unbox it for you. We'll do the first item. Let's do this one.
Okay, alright. And Sir Henry changes their shirts for every event that they do, which they do a Valentine's Day and a Christmas as well as a Halloween event. So they change their shirts with their events, which we're each wearing different. I'm wearing Valentine's Day. He's wearing Christmas. Mine's from this year. Obviously, his is from Christmas of last year. And this is this year's Halloween, one of their Halloween shirts. And this is the front. It says Sir Henry's Haunted Trail, celebrating 10 years of horror. And the back has the witching season on it in the year. And that is the front again. Okay.
I like the shirt, I gotta tell you. They did a really cool design.
They have some really cool designs for their shirts.
And then
honestly.
another cool design, we'll do it this way so you can't really see. Go ahead, after you. My
Okay.
modeling,
I'm fabulous, what can I say? Alright. And this one says Legends of Halloween Haunted Hayride, Sir Henry's Haunted Trail. And that is that picture for that one. And there is nothing on the back of this one, unfortunately. But it is still a cool shirt, in my opinion, regardless. So those are the two Halloween shirts that they have this year. They did have a sweatshirt that we did not get because we don't really use those very often here in Florida. So,
it's a rarity.
a rarity, yes.
So-
But they're cool.
Yeah.
And if I hadn't bought all the rest of this stuff, I probably would have got a sweatshirt too. But I have some really cool stuff. You're going to love this. And
So we have 4 items here. They're each the same thing, but different.
you know how we can be sometimes, especially if you like these particular items. You have to have one in every scent. It's kind of like owning your favorite shirt in every color, or your favorite blanket in multiple colors. You know, you got to do it. So it is their candle. This one is Wicked Waters, and it's got the label on the top as well. And the cool thing about Sir Henry's candles is, one, they are handmade by someone local. They are made specifically for Sir Henry's Trail. This is another thing, again, that he does release different scents and different types with the season and the event that he's putting on. I have previous candles from the other 2 events that we have been to, so I'm super excited to have the rest of these ones.
I can smell that as soon as you opened it up, so it is very fragrant.
Yes, these candles are extremely fragrant. I love it. It is like I'd say
Cookie or something? What is that?
I want to say it's a pumpkin spice.
Is that what that-
I think it's a pumpkin spice, honestly. It smells really good. I think it's pumpkin spice, which is funny because I don't really care much for pumpkin spice, but this smells really good. And there are charms in it. One of them, I don't quite know what that is, if it's just a rock. There's glitter in there, and there is a hand charm, which I'm not sure how well you guys are seeing this or not, but it is very cool. They do usually have a charm of some kind in here, some kind of knickknack that you get to keep after you finish burning the candles. And of course, the containers are metal themselves, so they are reusable.
And just as an FYI, these are named after the houses that they have.
Yes, that's true.
So each one is in reference to the house.
Yes, these ones, yes. The other ones that I have are named after the theme of the overall experience. These ones are named, like you said, after the houses. Yes, you are correct there. Okay, this one is Legends of Halloween Haunted Hayride, and that is your label. And again, I'm not sure how well you guys are seeing this, so I'm sorry if you're not seeing it well, but
Oh, that's pretty cool.
this one, oh no, you know, this one's pumpkin spice.
Oh yeah, that's the pumpkin spice.
This is
Wow.
pumpkin spice. Now I'm curious, maybe that one's some kind of candy. Oh, I wish I knew. I cannot tell. I am
It doesn't say.
They smell amazing though, regardless.
Yeah, this one smells good. I like this one.
Maybe that
I don't
one's
mind
a
this
candy.
That's what I'm saying. That one reminded me.
I don't know. It smells delicious though, but this one smells good too. He doesn't like pumpkin spice, but it still smells really good. This one has.
But it's got some really cool stuff in there.
Yes, it's got a pumpkin charm in it, a skull bead charm, and a skeleton charm in it, and of course they all have glitter sprinkled on top, so you do have to be very careful if you burn them.
And all the glitter, there's like little leaves and the fall colors, so it's pretty kind of cool.
These are really cute, super cute. And
next
one, I'll hand the paper to the guy. All right, Moonlight Massacre, and that's your label on the top. And of course your ingredients are listed on the back. They're all basically soy wax, fragrance oil, and burn it inside. Don't burn for more than 2 hours, and definitely don't leave unattended. It's okay, here's who makes them. Raven's Hearth, and they do have their own website, which
I'll be sure to link it.
I'll comment. Yeah, Sir Henry's also has a website. I don't know what this is, but that smells delicious too. That one's more of a perfumey.
It's like a piney perfume. Yeah.
It's. I don't know.
I still got those other odors in my nose, so it's like.
Should have some coffee beans to smell in between, I guess. Didn't even think about it.
This one again, as each one fits the theme.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you got the fall colors for the hayride. This one here had the hand and the glitter and the white and the little stars for the water. This one, check it out.
And this one has a wolf and a moon, and that's what you'll have to go.
Yeah, you'll have to go to understand some of these themes. We don't want to ruin what the storylines are about.
Yes, they do have. Sir Henry's does have a book about
3 books.
Yes, about the trails.
And a 4th book.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. And a 4th.
The 4th book's going to be a cookbook.
Oh, yeah. And again, all of these candles are soy, so I suppose it's better for you and what have you. I think they burn beautifully. This one is Tales of the Dead.
Another good house.
And again, I'm not sure what that one is.
All right, let's try that. Really?
It's got like 3 different.
It's like a smokiness.
Yeah, it's got like a mentholy smell to it with something else.
Yeah, it's weird. It has a smokiness to it, though.
Mm-hmm. It smells delicious, though. They do smell delicious. I don't know what they are, but they smell amazing. I wish I could describe them better for you guys, because they smell so good. Okay. But in this one, we have, actually, I think this guy's wax.
Yeah, that guy looks like wax.
I wonder what. I don't know. I bet you there might be something underneath there. But this one has a bat in it and some little rocks. And I believe the bat feels like he's wax. So I don't know.
Yeah, the bat's wax.
If there's something else.
Maybe that's why we're smelling like different smells.
Maybe the bat's what's got a little scent to it or something.
Yeah, the bat's a smokiness.
That's interesting. That's really cool. I can't help. I love these. I'm gonna keep collecting these. Every time we go, I'm buying all the candles they make. I don't care.
The key is buy one, because once it's done, it's gone. But if you leave it like that, hopefully she keeps it like that.
The secret is if you buy 2, you can burn one and keep the other one. Amazing. But the good thing with these ones, because like I said, we do have other ones. I actually do sometimes leave the lids off of them in spaces, and you can just let them smell the area around them. You don't have to burn them for the scent, because whatever they mix in for the scent with the oil,
Again,
it's amazing.
it's potent, but in a good way.
Yes. And the good thing is if it does start to dwindle down, you just put the lid on it for a day or two, and you take it back off again, and right back to like it was before. So.
All right. So this is a special edition candle. We will give it away that it's a candle. But it's the 10-year, right? So it's celebrating 10 seasons of horror. So we'll do that. And we'll do it like that. And then we will, oh, there it is. It's perfect. It's facing the right way too. Look at that. So again, advertising the 10 seasons. And then there's the inside. And our surprise is, what is the inside now? Oh, it looks like a skull ring.
That is a skull ring in there with some purple glitter, green glitter, and I see stars in
Purple circles.
purple circles. No, it smells good.
Right, you
from
ready?
here. Yeah. Oh, that smells so good. It smells so good.
This is definitely
I love it.
cookie.
Love it. Love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cookie
So-
for sure.
Just so you can get an angle at that skull.
It smells delicious.
And again, it's going to be a nice little decoration for us in that I don't want to burn these things.
I love this smell. This smells amazing. And of course, this one is soy wax as well. And of course, same thing. You should never leave any candle burning for more than 2 to 3 hours. And you always should burn any candle supervised, because, you know, crazy things happen with fire. I mean, it's just a thing.
So,
And it's a reusable container. It's glass. It's a glass jar. It's a glass skull jar. It's so cool.
it's really cool. So we got this one,
Yes.
Tales of the Dead.
Moon Night Massacre,
We got Wicked Waters.
and Legends of Halloween Haunted Hayride.
Speaking of the Haunted Hayride, here's that shirt again. Right? And then for the main event, celebrating 10 years, which is the witching season.
And that picture is so cool.
Yeah, that is so cool. And Beatrice is the main character up here.
Of course, Sir Henry.
Sir Henry, yeah,
Oh,
in the
wait.
center.
Are we sure that's Sir Henry and not the...
No, that's Sir Henry.
Okay. I'll take
That's
your,
him
I'll take
himself.
his word for it.
Yeah, there you go, like your standard Sir Henry. But again, each time they change them up a little bit, so it's very cool that they keep on modifying them just enough. So again, thank you to Sir Henry for allowing us to show up. We did the Friends and Family night without Death Dealer.
Yep.
So tonight it was just the two of us, and we paid for our own way in, and obviously we bought our own souvenirs. Let's call it that, right? So souvenirs. So we appreciate their hospitality. You guys definitely check them out. They're in Plant City in Florida, and right off of I-4. I'll have all the links down below, and I will definitely bring in the links for Raven's Hearth. Right? Yeah.
Yeah, and again, Sir Henry's has their own website too, so you can buy their book series from them and their shirts. I don't know if you can buy their candles or not online. I do not recall. So, but
I was online before the season started, and all I saw were shirts at the time. So they should have some other stuff on there. I just don't know. You'll definitely have to check it out, and then you can find out for yourself. So it'll be a nice, pleasant surprise to find out if it has it or not. But definitely check out the site. buy some tickets. Go there, check them out. They're a great group of people. I'd say they're good friends now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, excellent people, excellent staff, wonderful characters. The attention to detail is fantastic. And when I say attention to detail, I don't just mean like obviously the little things like this are a huge deal, but they also pay attention to the small details with their characters, with the trails themselves, with the overall interaction with you, just being in the area on the property. I highly recommend the experience for sure.
So again, we thank you. I'm DREADPOOL.
I'm Death Dealer.
And we'll see you next time.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
Oh, yes, definitely. Do that.